Good afternoon, folks. It's Crazy Ira from Firkins Chrysler, Jeep and Dodge in Bradenton. I just took in a gorgeous 2016 Grand Cherokee. This is the limited version. As you can see, it's got 18-inch wheels. It's white in color. This has the 3.6-liter Pentastar engine. Come on, let's go take a peek. Folks, this has a lot of options, including automatic headlight on and off system, power windows, power door locks, tilt, cruise, navigation, Bluetooth for your cell phone. It's even got memory for 2 drivers, including lumbar support for your back. It's got the backup camera, it's got the navigation, and it also has a power sunroof. And it's got home link for your garage door opener. Seating for 5, tan leather interior. This is a beauty. It's a one-owner car. It's got a clean Carfax, and this will be a certified car. This car has a lot of options, including 4-wheel disc anti-lock brakes. It's got a power lift gate. You got to call me, Ira Salem, 845-304-3914. You will only find this car at Firkins.